Your map shows where things are. But the real power of GIS is understanding what those things mean today. We're diving into the heart of your spatial data, the attribute table, and learning how to transform raw numbers into insights. Every feature on your map, every district, road building, or river comes with information attached to it. If you can't read, manage, or calculate that data, your analysis will always fall short. In this video, we're learning how to open, explore, and edit attribute data in QGIS, add new fields, perform calculations, and filter information effectively. To begin, right-click a layer and choose Open Attribute Table. Here's what you'll see. Rows. Each row represents a feature, like a city or district. Columns. These are attributes such as population, area, or name. You can view, edit, sort, and filter data directly from this window. This is where all non-spatial data lives and where your analysis begins. Open the table and click Toggle Editing Mode. Then select New. Field. Enter a field name. Choose a data type, text string. For names, integer. For whole numbers, decimal real. For values like area or density, set the field width. Save edits and your new column appears instantly. Field Calculator Essentials. Field Calculator is where QGIS becomes powerful. You can perform math, text operations, geometry functions, and logical tests. A few examples: calculate polygon area. $area calculate line length. $length population density. Population area _km to combine text. Sorting and filtering data too. Make sense of your attributes. Sort by clicking a column header filter, using the filter icon, or select by expression, for example. To show districts with more than 1 million people, population greater than 1 million, click Clear Filter to return to the full table. Quick recap. Attribute tables store all featured data. New fields let you build and organize information. The field calculator performs powerful calculations. Sorting and filtering help you find exactly what you need. Saving edits ensures your work is clean and consistent. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.